You thought you found the perfect deal, a beautiful Victorian house at half its market price. But on your first day, you discover a heavy steel hatch in the hallway floor, welded shut with thick iron bars. The real estate agent dismissed it as an old, unused coal cellar. You try to ignore it, but a persistent, freezing draft seems to radiate directly from the sealed edges. As night falls, the silence of your new home is broken. From deep beneath the floorboards, you hear a rhythmic, heavy thumping, vibrating right up through your bed. Armed with a flashlight, you inspect the hatch the next morning. To your horror, the thick iron welds are covered in fresh, metallic scratches, as if clawed away from the other side. Terrified but desperate for a logical explanation, you drag a massive, antique wooden cabinet directly over the hatch, hoping to block whatever is causing the noise. At midnight, a harsh, scraping sound echoes through the house. You rush to the hallway to find the heavy cabinet has been violently shoved several inches to the side. You press your ear against the wall, holding your breath. A slow, chilling metallic scrape resonates from below, followed by wet, heavy breathing. Suddenly, the temperature drops so fast you can see your own breath. The air turns thick, smelling of old iron and stagnant water. You shine your light back at the floor. A dark, viscous liquid is slowly oozing from beneath the heavy cabinet, staining the floorboards black. You grab your phone to call for help, but the screen glitches violently, displaying distorted symbols and a countdown that you don't understand. Summoning all your courage, you push the cabinet away completely. The heavy iron welds are gone, snapped and bent upward like dry twigs. Only a single rusted padlock remains. Before you can even take a step back, a sharp, echoing clack rings out. The heavy padlock unlocks itself, falling to the floor with a heavy thud. The heavy steel hatch slowly creaks open on its own, yawning wide into a pitch-black abyss that seems to swallow the very light of your flashlight. From the freezing darkness, a raspy, ancient voice whispers your name, sending a jolt of pure terror straight down your spine. A sudden, violent gust of freezing wind erupts from the cellar, blowing open every window in the house and throwing your belongings into chaotic flight. The shadow inside the hatch rises. It is a towering, formless entity of pure darkness, its hollow, glowing eyes locking directly onto yours. You turn and run toward the front door, slamming your weight against it, but the lock is fused shut. The house itself has become your prison. The freezing shadow corners you against the wall, stretching over your body. You are completely paralyzed, unable to even scream. In your final moments of consciousness, you realize the horrifying truth. The previous owner didn't lock the cellar to keep the monster in. They locked it to keep the next buyer from letting it out. Now, trapped inside your own mind, you watch helplessly as your own hands drag a new iron bar across the hatch, welding it shut from the inside, waiting for the next victim.